Hi everybody, it's Leanne. I'm here today talking about weather emergencies. We're already in that season where we can have severe weather and want to refresh ourselves on what we should be doing when there is a weather emergency. So as we see dark skies and clouds coming towards us, we should be aware of changing weather. Thunderstorms are created when there's moisture and warm and cold air colliding to make unstable air. Thunderstorms can be mild or get quite severe. So we need to be alert to changing conditions. So not all storms are thunderstorms, but when you hear thunder, you should take note. Thunder and lightning go together. All thunderstorms have lightning. Severe thunderstorms can also have hail and tornadoes, so we need to stay alert and know about changing weather conditions. In Wisconsin, we're most likely to have thunderstorms in the months of April through September. When there's severe weather approaching, weather alerts are posted. They're called watches and warnings. So for a severe thunderstorm watch, it should alert us to our surroundings. Identify where you can seek shelter. Prepare by finding access to a radio or TV for further weather updates. When a thunderstorm warning is issued, that means a thunderstorm is heading your direction. You need to act, go to shelter, and listen for continuing weather updates. One of the dangers in a thunderstorm is lightning. When we hear thunder or see lightning, we should go inside. Almost daily, somebody is struck by lightning, and on the average, 50 people a year die from being struck by lightning. Lightning is a natural electrical discharge in the atmosphere, a big spark. Lightning can occur without a thunderstorm. That's why it's so important, if you see lightning, to seek shelter. If you're outside and there's no shelter or vehicle, go to the lowest area you can find. Do not stand under trees or other tall objects. Lightning is a benefit to the earth. It helps us maintain electrical balance. It also helps make ozone-producing chemicals, which helps protect us from the sun's ultraviolet rays. A severe thunderstorm can also produce hail. When the moisture in the clouds freeze, it can be sleet, it can be snow, or it can be hail. Hail is ice chunks that are formed in a thunderstorm. A hailstone is defined as frozen water that's more than 2/10 of an inch or more. A lot of times you'll hear the meteorologists talking about quarter size or golf ball size hail. The largest hail measured 8 inches in diameter and weighed nearly 2 pounds. That occurred in Vivian, South Dakota, June 23rd, 2010. I wouldn't want to have been there. It's important when it's hailing outside that we seek shelter. Hail can cause injuries. It can cause lots of damage to homes and roofs and vehicles. So seek shelter. Severe thunderstorms can also produce tornadoes. Tornadoes can be scary. We need to be prepared and be able to react quickly if a tornado warning is issued. Tornadoes occur in all 50 states. Tornado alerts also come in watches and warnings. A tornado watch means be alert for changing weather conditions. Conditions are favorable for a tornado to occur. Prepare. Prepare yourself and your family for a possible upgrade to a tornado warning. If a tornado warning is issued, act. Seek shelter. A tornado has been spotted and is heading your direction. Sirens should be sounding if you're outside to alert you. Tornadoes can happen year-round in Wisconsin. February is the only month where a tornado has not been recorded. Most of our tornadoes occur between April and September. Tornadoes can cause lots of damage with strong winds and flying debris. So we need to know how to react if there's a potential for a tornado. During a tornado warning, seek shelter as quickly as you can. Go to the lowest level in the building, a basement, or an interior bathroom or closet away from any windows. Have a device available to you to keep track of weather updates, remembering that you may lose power, so a battery operated radio or hand crank radio may be your best options. Have your emergency kit available. Other items that you've prepared during the storm watch available. Remember to have a communication plan, especially if you're not with family or household members, so that you have phone numbers that you can call them and let them know where you are and that you are safe. Be prepared for a weather emergency. Have an emergency kit where you would shelter in your home during a tornado warning. Include basic items like a flashlight with extra batteries, a radio, a small first aid kit, a simple baggie with an assortment of Band-Aids, first aid cream, gauze, and Kleenex. Have available blankets or sleeping bag, a whistle to notify first responders, a phone list with family members, doctors, phone numbers, and a pharmacy phone number. You can't always rely that your cell phone will be working or be powered. Have bottled water available. During that tornado watch phase, it would be a good idea to prepare. Locate your cell phone, the charger, your purse or wallet, any prescriptions you may take, and a pair of shoes. And keep those all together so you can easily and quickly grab them in a tornado warning and go to your sheltered area. So let's review our weather alerts. So during a watch, we need to be alert. Conditions are favorable. We need to find access to further weather updates. Prepare. Know where to go for shelter. Do you need to activate your communication plan to let family members or household members know where you are? During a warning, we need to act. We need to seek out shelter immediately. Activate your communication plan if you're not with family or household members. Let them know where you're sheltering and that you're safe.